ever seen a moose? Ava, read it.
No. I don't want to.
I'll give you a marshmallow.
I want marshmallow too.
Ava, have you ever seen a moose?
I want Maggie Moose.
Keep going. Branchy antler?
Ever diving board, you know the moose?
No.
And we really, really would.
We've never, ever.
Ever seen a moose. And we really, 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 really want to see a moose. Well, let's go. We put on our hats. We pull up our boots. We look in the woods. Squish, squash, squish.
Trump stomp.
Jump, jump. Why is it getting
Trees,
so
breezy.
over here?
It's fine, Everett. Treesy, breezy, tilty, stilty, wobbly, knobbly woods.
The puppy sees them.
It sure does. All right, stop. We look.
And we look. But it's just no use. We don't see any long-legged moose. Now what?
We'll look in the swamp.
For the doggy moose.
We roll up our pants. Take off our boots. We wade in the swamp.
Everett. Remember we was turtles.
We wade in the swamp. Squish,
Remember
squish,
we was
squish, squish.
turtles.
The turtles.
The sloppy, gloppy, lily loppy, slurpy, glurpy swamp. We look.
And we look. But it's just no use. We don't see any long. See? I
Any
can
long
play
legged
and
dinner
watch.
diving moose?
I can play and watch. See, Mommy?
I see.
Now, look in the bushes for the everyone moose.
Roll down our pants. We button up our sleeves. We scrape through the bushes. Scratch, scratch. The brambly, ambly, brunchy, scrunchy, scrubby, shrubby bushes. We look.
And we look, but it's just no use. We don't see any long-legged moose.
Any long-legged dinner diving branchy animals. Can you say that?
Yeah. Now, we look in the hillside for the boulder. We take off our hats. We pull up our boots.
Tighten up our packs.
Tanking on our pants.
We scramble up the hillside.
Chop, chop,
Chop. The blocky, blocky, fluffy, bumpy, fuzzy, muzzy hillside. We look.
and we
Look.
and it's just no use. We
We'll
don't
never,
care
ever, ever see a moose.
What's that? Look there, it's a long-legged diving bulgy nose and moose. We never, ever, ever, ever,
And a moose, and a moose, and a moose.